What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time on the channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, we have a couple packages to get into. Two of them I've had sitting around for about a week, and then one just arrived yesterday, so I figured why not get behind the camera and film this video for you guys. First one we're gonna get into is this one here from Marino Morwood. If you're not familiar with Marino Morwood, he actually makes like graphic style tribute t-shirts, band tees more or less, but for people who normally don't have band tees, or just kind of like a more urban streetwear spin on artists that already have band tees. So he's done like Denzel Washington, he's done a couple of different artists, but this is one that the colorway really pulled me in, and you're gonna see these actually go really well with something else that we're unboxing today. So I really wanted to get this tee. It did take a while to come in because I believe it comes from London, so it did take a while. I had to go through customs and all of that stuff, but let's see if it is worth the wait. So this is his Eminem Slim Shady tee. So on the front of the shirt, you do have Eminem in this kind of denim filled lettering, which goes well with the denim overalls that he's wearing on the front. And then you also have the picture of him throwing up the middle fingers in the back. And on the back of the shirt, it says I'm Slim Shady, and the back of the shirt takes on like more red colors. You got 3 little bubbles with some more images of him. And then finally on the bottom of the shirt, it does say Marshall Mathers. So I just really like this. As you guys can see, the colors really pop on this. I've been following Marino Morwood for a while now. I really like the Nego shirt that he did, and after that the 50 Cent tee I thought was one that looked really cool. However, those shirts were already sold out, so when I saw this Eminem tee go up, I had to get it. The only drawback to Marino Morwood is that the shirts do start at a medium. So as you can see, this shirt is a men's medium, so it is going to be a really big fit. I'm thinking about getting it tailored as long as it doesn't mess with the graphic too much. Either way, I'm happy to have it, and I'm going to make it work. So this next package that we're going to unbox actually is the one that came in yesterday, and this is from Kith's most recent drop. It was last Friday. This weekend it just passed. So if you follow Kith, then you probably already know kind of what's in this box. They did a collab, a 3-way collab with Russel, athletic brand, Vogue, and Kith. And I really like Kith. I think that it's a little played down, watered down now just because of how many releases they give us. So you have the Monday program, then you have Fridays, along with everything else that they released. So this is a nice touch. It's in this opaque bag, this white bag that has that triple branding. So it says Kith, Russel athletic brand, and then it says Vogue at the bottom. Oh, and before I open it up, as you guys can see, this is a Kith extra small. This collection from Kith is not too far off from something that they actually already did, and it's basically like a love thy city kind of thing. So each of the pieces had different cities on them, and this one was to represent Brooklyn, and I am from Brooklyn, so I had to get this one. As you guys can see, it is a dark brown hoodie, or as Kith calls it, this color is espresso. And then you also have the red box logo on the front that says Vogue. I think the colors work really well together, but that is not it. The back is where it shines here. So you do have that BKLYN with the red outline filled in with the white, and it just works really well on this piece. The quality on this hoodie is really nice. However, I will say it doesn't feel like the other Kith hoodies I have, and maybe that's because the hoodie is a Russel hoodie and not like to the specifications that Kith normally makes their hoodies. I don't know, but it doesn't really feel like a Kith hoodie. It feels good quality for sure. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart in the wash. The stitching feels really nice, front and back, but the overall hoodie just doesn't feel like a Kith hoodie. Here in New York, we did skip hoodie season. It has just been brick city here lately, but I'm sure that I will get use out of this piece, and I'm just happy to have a hoodie in like a unusual or different colorway. Brown is really in right now, and I really like this piece. It is time to open the last and final package, and this is the one that I'm sure you guys are gonna like the most because it is sneakers. If you watched my last couple videos, you know that I did take a L and I had to look elsewhere for these shoes that I'm about to pull out. So I went to StockX. You guys can already tell what these are by the reverse colored box. And I picked up these. So as you can see, the box was already open. I did open it just because StockX makes mistakes, and it wouldn't be the first time that they made a mistake with my order. So I just wanted to check and make sure that what is in here was what I ordered. So that's why it was already open. But let's peel this back together. As you guys can see, it is the all over patent leather Air Jordan 1 Fearless that released about 2 weekends ago. I really like these. I had to get my hands on them. So as soon as I took that L on most of the raffles, the apps, I had to go to StockX, and I don't regret it. Do I feel like I overpaid? The prices did drop, but I do think that once the traffic dies down of sales and Christmas rolls around, I feel like the prices on these are gonna go up. People are definitely gonna realize that they slept. You do get the card on the inside that says Fear on one side, and then you have the Jumpman with Michael Jordan's signature at the bottom. And I'm sure you guys have heard other YouTubers read the quote, but I'll go ahead and read it for the one time. Limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. So very dope, nice touch. Now, I wasn't too happy with the quality control on my shattered backboard 3.0s that I just picked up from Jordan Brand. However, looking at these, the quality control is much better. I don't see any scuffing. I don't know if maybe the pieces are easier to cut out when they're patent leather, but I don't see any glue marks. These look really good. All 3 lace bags are there. You got the red, the blue, and the white, and then the black, of course, is in the shoe. The hang tag is there right next to the StockX verification tag. Everything looks good. You guys can expect a full review and on foot for these, but let me just say it one more time. These are the best all over patent leather Air Jordan 1s since the gold toes. You can argue with me about it in the comments. That is about it for this video, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, show us more YouTubers some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.